So it's not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room this morning, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a bigger opportunity that may transpire in the near future. And don't forget that all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. Hey everybody, this is Scott. So this is the trade of the week, and which is being done on Tuesday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time. And ahead of time, tomorrow we have FOMC, but that's why I'm using the pound Aussie because it won't have a direct effect on FOMC, although there may be an indirect effect because of the pound reacting against the dollar. But at any rate, as you can see, we had a rising wedge. We already broke out. This is a live trade we're already in. I expect that we'll get to the ATR target here about 8,900 tonight or today. All right. So we're looking for this to continue to the downside. Let's go take a look and see what pound Aussie says in the MACD. And let me pull it up here for you. And pound Aussie is right over here. Move this out of the way. And you can see we have absolutely got convergence. We've broken the T3 right there, and MACD is pointing the way. As you can see, it says you're going down, and we got a lot of room down here, as you can see. So this might be a good opportunity for you. And so let me post this up here, and I'll pull it back up and take a look at it. All right, so the pound Aussie has a pretty good size ATR. Pound Aussie is 128, but it normally does 165 and 152. And it was 128 in here. It dropped it way down to a lower level because, as you can see, we don't have a big movement in here as opposed to what we were having over here. All right, so I would anticipate that the ATRs are going to rise on this pound Aussie from 128 to its norm, which is 152 to 165. There's 165 pips a day in a 90-day data period, and 152 pips a day in a 180. So let's just take a 160, okay? So 160, if we're right here, each one of these little lines here is a T30 on our charts, and it's a 30 pip target. So 160 pips would be almost 7 T30s. All right. So 7 T30s would be if it's here, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could get down here to 1.8700, or maybe even put the higher number in and go down to 8661. So there's the opportunity right there. Will it happen? Well, I don't know. Nobody knows at this point, but the chart says we can do it, and there we go. So we're making the assumption we'll be at about 8,900 by 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's another hour or so. And once we get there, then we're looking for the new ATR target. ATRs start over at 5 o'clock. If you don't know the ATR, you're not trading, you're gambling. All right, so you need to know the ATR if you're going to trade the Forex. All right, so there we go. Great opportunity. We'll see if it happens. And I'll post a video on the response if it does tomorrow. Okay. Have a great day. Be careful with FOMC.